Hi, this is Dominic from Paphos Life, and I'm near St Paul's Pillar today. I'm going to have a wander up Bar Street from here, I reckon. So I reckon, because I'm not really sure. Before I go though, there used to be a nice little cafe here, and I was informed from a previous film that the owners of that now have a cafe up in your ski poo by the main square, apparently, if you're wondering where they've got to. Just thought I'd relay that information on. There's Turkish baths in there, I think. I can't remember from the sign, it was a few years since I saw it last. Baths, yeah, Ottoman period. Every time I see Ottoman I think of furniture though. It's only because my parents had one. My dad must have picked up on his travels many years ago. It's got a fly on my nose. Once when I was walking down here I saw a Cypriot hedgehog, which may not sound that impressive, but if you do get to see one you'll be quite surprised because they have very big ears. Right, here's the fenced off area of St Paul's Church, or Chrysopolitissa, to give it its proper name. I'll just call it St Paul's. It's been fenced off for a while now, unfortunately. I don't mean this bit here, that's just a fence, but the walkway. Prior to COVID it was closed off and it hasn't reopened yet. Hopefully it's in somebody's schedule somewhere to be renovated. I mean the walkway, not the ruins themselves. That'd be quite some renovation job. I'll go and show you St Paul's Pillar. See, autumn's in the air now, lots of leaves on the ground, and there's the pillar. Well, last time I was here I mentioned that there used to be lots of cats around, but there were no longer, and apparently the lady or gentleman, I can't remember who, it's normally a lady, who fed them has since moved. They have a little colony that's been dispersed. There's a hopeful cicada. Obviously a bit bashful. Here are the ruins. Now, had I out of a camera, I might go inside the church because that shoots better in low light, and it is very low light in there. But as I haven't, I won't. Now, on a previous driving film, I mentioned this building up here and how it was being renovated, and had hoped that it was going to be put to good use, and apparently it's going to be a little museum dedicated to St Paul, which, considering his pillar is just over there where they supposedly flogged him, then it's a good use. They got a nice shade there as well. So look out for that opening at some point in the near future. See a few external mosaics. The recent rain, I don't know if it came down as far as the seafront actually, but if it had done so, we would have given them a good wash. They're certainly coming along here. I think I'll go up this way to the main church. Because that way I can check. I'll wait till we pass the digger. Yeah, that way I can see how the renovation work they're doing on the ruins they found up here are going on. Down there's the main road. So you got the M Boutique Hotel will be on the corner, and Pap's Supermarket just past that, and 2 for 2 the other way. Cool, I'm feeling the heat. I got my hat on today though. There's the Buzz pub, showing lots of footy. I won't show Lincoln there though. Too niche. Right, let's see what's going on here then. A few weeds growing on it. So something's been built here to house it all. I just have no idea what. I should be on the other side of the road really. So now we're coming to the restaurant quarter of Kato Paphos. Giant Indian restaurant there. Up there's the start of Bar Street and Baywatch Bar, but I'm going this way. This is the place that has the Greek, traditional Greek dancing. There's Delhi Gate. And there will be Flintstones and Dionysus Central Hotel. So you should have got your bearings now. Someone's got a message. And the camera back up again. So I've got more power in my gimbal now. So this is a quiet Bar Street. Notorious, it's still as enigmatic as ever. I'll have a little wander through the chapel grounds because they're always very pleasant. This garden was planted by Mario Pinguera, his family and his friends. Well, good on him. They did a good job. There's the chapel itself. I'll pop in there because no one's there. Lighting will be terrible, but it is what it is. religion's your thing. You can say a prayer, whatever you feel the need to pray for. Let's face it, at the moment it's pretty much everything. Oop. Lots of succulents here, which makes a bit of sense. Nice and cool as well. It's especially relevant in the summertime. Right, you're going up to Flair's bar now. This place is normally the liveliest one on Bar Street these days. Not at the moment though. They all sleep at the moment. Well, I better start thinking about what route I'm going to be taking and where to stop this film and start the next one. I suppose going up Bar Street would seem the obvious choice. See how they're doing at the renovations area. Oh, I haven't done my marketing yet. So here we go, clear the throat. If you like these sort of films, and all the other sorts of films we do, because we do a variety, please do subscribe to our YouTube channel and click that little notifications bell wherever it might be hiding, and share the films far and wide. And if you want to help us out financially, go to our buymeacoffee.com/Paphos Live page and buy us a coffee or two, or 3 or 4 or 5. And if you want something in return, there's the old bowling alley. God, I'd love to be able to go in there and explore. If you want something in return, go to our etsy.com/shop/Paphos Live page, and you can buy stuff like cups, t-shirts, pictures, calendars, all sorts of things that uses the artwork we publish, pictures we've taken around Paphos and Cyprus. So have a look there as well, and join our Facebook group Paphos Chat to say hello, and follow our Facebook group page Paphos Live. We've got over 70,000 members now, so we must be doing something right. Anyway, that's the seedier part of Bar Street done with. We're now coming up to the end of the Poseidonos Avenue Renovations, and we'll see how that final bit's progressed, if it's progressed at all, in a bit. Well, my microphone had moved closer to my mouth, which probably means I've been sounding like heavy breathing for the last few minutes. Let's lower that a bit. Yes, I'm going to enhance the Buy Me a Coffee page and introduce membership. So if you pay a monthly subscription, then you can, not sure what, as a bonus, you can like pick a film, a place you want to be filmed, that kind of thing. Within reason, obviously. I'm not going to film myself streaking naked down the seafront. I've done that once, never again. Right, I'm going to cut through here so we can see what's going on, the newly built area, and then I'll call it a day for this film. You can see the little blue tiles which signify that water is on its way. I'm going to see if I can actually walk down for the start of the next film between the Elmira, thanks for that, and the Annabelle. But here is the nearly finished water feature. Not sure what they're waiting for, but they haven't got long to go. And we'll pan the camera around slowly so you can appreciate the Elmira Hotel and the Annabelle as well. And on that note, we will say goodbye. Cheers, see you in the next film.